Make an offer to somebody, and then there's what you call the quiet period between the offer and the acceptance and then the start of the job. Talk to us about how you create a good experience there.
Almost all of us are familiar with the concept of buyer's remorse, this scientifically proven experience that every human has when we make a purchase and we begin to doubt the decision we just made to make that purchase. I'd like to introduce everyone to this concept of new hires remorse. It's exactly like buyer's remorse, but it applies to employees instead of donors or customers. And the way it works is an employee decides to accept your offer of employment. And now they've got a lag period before their first day on the job. And during that quiet period between the euphoria of accepting the job and showing up for the first day at work, they hear nothing from you. And all that is left for their mind to think during this quiet period is, did I make the right choice? Did I accept the right offer at the right time? Should I have negotiated for more? I was interviewing for 3 other positions at the same time, and I hadn't heard from those other 2, but I felt like I had this one in the hand, and I accepted it, but what if one of those other ones might have come through? And that doubt, that fear, that uncertainty, which is scientifically proven to occur with a new employee, when they show up for the first day on the job, they're in the hole emotionally. They're doubting their first day on the job. We're thinking, we're going to have a great first day on the job. You're going to love it. You're going to be so excited to work here. And they're like, maybe. I'm not sure. It's possible, but what if not? And so the opportunity that is available to all employers is to think about that quiet period between the official acceptance of your offer and the first day on the job as a time period where you can communicate with the new employee in ways that keep their emotional excitement high, in ways that reaffirm their decision to come work for you. This can be as simple as a video saying, hey, we're excited for your first day on the job. This can be sending them some swag. So they've got, some corporate gear or some, nonprofit logo wear that they can do. This can be just sending a handwritten note that says, hey, I just wanted you to know we interviewed 37 candidates and we picked you. We are so excited to have you be part of this team. We know you're going to contribute an incredible amount, and we are thrilled that you're going to be starting up on the 14th. Can't wait to see you that day. Something as simple as that is not only going to be something that's going to have a huge impact on this new employee, but it's something that is going to set the tone for their emotional engagement and their emotional experience with our organization going forward.